Once again, I want to welcome you back to Trend Nigeria, and we are still giving you update of Nnamdi Kanu case from the Federal High Court, Abuja.
I represent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. From what I saw today in court, there seems to be a systemic effort being put in place to steamroll and railroad Mazi Nnamdi Kanu into putting up a defense and leading to conviction. There are procedural issues that must be heard before the matter can go forward. And I think that is the motion that must be heard, hopefully by tomorrow.
They're here that distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's those news agents of Nigeria? What are they?
That's it.
You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that?
Nnamdi Kanu has once again told the Federal High Court in Abuja that he will not enter any defense because, according to him, there is no valid charge pending against him. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra stood firm in court, rejecting the federal government's terrorism case against him and declaring that he has no case to answer. The Federal High Court in Abuja, presided by Justice James Omotosho, resumed hearing on the long-running case between the federal government and IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. During the proceeding, Justice Omotosho urged Kanu to open his defense following the prosecution closing case. But in a dramatic tone, Kanu refused, insisting that there is no valid law or legal foundation for the terrorism charges against him. Kanu argued that the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act, under which he is being tried, has been repealed, and therefore he cannot legally defend himself under a law that no longer exists. He told the court that the entire proceeding is unconstitutional and a violation of his fundamental human rights. Kanu also accused the court of ignoring the Supreme Court's earlier ruling, which condemned his extraordinary rendition from Kenya, a key issue that his legal team says should have led to his release. He went further to say that unless the federal government files a new valid charge, he will not participate in what he described as a null and void trial. In his response, Justice James Omotosho advised Nnamdi Kanu to consult a criminal law expert and appoint a new lawyer to assist with his defense. However, after several attempts to convince him failed, the judge adjourned the matter, giving Kanu until today, November 5, 2025, to open his defense or risk losing his right to do so. This means if Kanu refuses again at the next sitting, the court could proceed to judgment based solely on the prosecution's evidence. Legal analysts say Kanu's refusal to defend himself could be a major gamble, one that might strengthen the government's position. However, his supporters believe he is standing on the principle defending his constitutional right not to be tried under what is called a repealed and invalid law. With the next court day approaching, all eyes are now on Abuja as this high-profile trial nears a critical turning point. What do you think, guys? Should Nnamdi Kanu defend himself in court today, or is it right to reject the trial entirely? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more verified updates on Nnamdi Kanu's trial. I will see you in another video.